Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you so much for viewing, subscribing and liking my videos. If you're new to this channel, my dear, consider subscribing. In today's video, we are going to share how you can increase profits in this venture of local poultry. How can you make it in order to increase the profits? And the major thing you should know is as you know it, each and everyone who has a business is after profits. So you should know that you have to make profits. But how are you going to increase those profits? One of the ways how you are going to get or to increase the profits in your business of local poultry or poultry is reducing by reducing expenses. My dear, we all know we buy feeds, we buy vaccines, we buy medicines, but how are you going to reduce on those expenses we always get at the farm? One of the things you have to do is reduce on the operation costs. Reduce on the operation costs. How? If you've been renting a place, try your level best and hire a place which is at low costs. You get. If you've been using electricity, so get the means of using solar. If you've been using this hydroelectricity, get the means of using solar energy such that you reduce on the expenses. So you get other ways of improvising such that you don't buy each and everything at the farm. Get those things which can be got free of charge and when they are useful to the birds. I always tell you to involve yourself in local herbs. Get those natural remedies, use them as medicine to treat and prevent diseases at your farms as one way of reducing expenses at the farm such that you increase the profits. Then another way is building a network. Building the network, the people you share with, the people you communicate with, your friends, the people you contact with. Noonya omuntu akusingako in that business you are doing. And if you get that person who is better than you, mwesibeeko mubeereko, you get. If you get customers, stay in touch with them. Don't just sell the chicks or the eggs to them, then you call it a day. So stay in touch with them. That's one way how you can increase profits because those people they will connect you to other people. Then another way is know your business in and out. Know your business in and out. Business ye yenkoko gimanye munda ne kungulu. Kungulu gimanye ogitegere. Even inside of it, know it very well such that each and everything move on smoothly. Then that business you are doing, explain it to your customers. Teach them, train them, explain to them. You never know, they may get the idea and sell it to other people. Customers zeggula amagi munnyonnyole nti munnaye amagi g'oguze tugakola bwetuti ne bwetuti ne bwetuti. My dear, nothing you lose if you share the information. So that's another way of increasing profits in this venture of poultry. And if possible, you can test your customers. What am I trying to mean here? If possible, give them jaribu. But for us here at Morelo Poultry Farm, tekutera gaba jaribu. Maybe if you come, nyinza okuga kankuweyo ennyongeza. Now, for testing your customers, like when you are at the beginning, tutera okufunagana amagi tegannakukula bulungi kugatwala kwaluza, you have them, they are very many there. You can test your neighbors. N'obawaayo buwi free of charge. Like you are calling them indirectly. Tolina bagula amagi ago, give them free of charge. Muweeyo amagi 10, tolina ky'ofiirwa. So test them. Then after giving them those eggs, ask them the following days, ask them how were the eggs. Babuuze gali gatya. Bajja kukubuulira either malungi, gawooma, enjuba eri etya, like yeah, and that one can help you to uplift your business in the way that you get to know what is missing and what is not missing. You get to know how you are doing your work. And weewa naawe tiki customers gwe wawadde amagi ku bwereere oba we mutu oyo gwe watestinzeeko amagi go bw'atesingawo n'agamba nti malungi naawe omanya kiki ky'okola kinjukwa you yourself you can't test your products nomanya nti either nnungi oba mbi. Sometimes tulemererwa okwemakinga, sometimes tulemererwa okwewa obubonero. So test your customers. Yes, test them and they will help you to collect information and make standard of your business. Oli bw'agamba nti gaadde malungi n'omulala n'agamba nti gaadde malungi kitegeeza they are good. So ojja kuba otandika okuzimba standard ya business yo. Then another one, speak about your products. Zoogerere. Ziboogerere wagenda nomulaba these eggs, they are local eggs. Tokoma bukomi kuba wakulyako ku jjalibu. Bagambe they are local eggs, they are local birds. You see, yes, explain to them as you are targeting them indirectly. Then another thing is widen the market. How are you going to widen the market? Go on social media, market your products. Get some business cards, share them, give them out to the neighbors, the neighboring trading centers, the markets, and so on. Try to widen the market. And the more the sales, the more the profits you get. So try to widen your market. Then another thing you can do in order to increase the profits is build trust. Build trust. Beera wa mazima in each and everything you do. Build that trust. Tunda akantu katono naye nga katuufu. Even I also consider, I always encourage you to emphasize on quality, not quantity. So build trust in your business. Then pay in time. For people who are having customers like who are abroad, if you have customers who are abroad, if you say that you will get your chicks on such and such a date, please give out those chicks on that date. If you have workers at the farm, pay those workers in time such that they do each and everything in a good way. Baleke kwekwasa nti gwe olwawo basasula emisaala y'ensonga lwaki tebalabirira bulungi ki nkoko. Pay in time and supply in time. Supply your customers in time. If possible, you can have even deliveries. Ng'osobola oba free deliveries oba nga be besasulira naye Mpozzi gwe wenna ali eyo ng'oyagala mmere ya nkoko, oyagala mmere ya mbizzi, mmere ya nte, mmere ya mbuzi zo, jangu ku Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds bakuguze emmere, bakutabulire emmere. Enkoko zo zaakona, zaagaana okubiika, embizi zo zaakona, zaagaana okukula, jangu bakutabulire. Buli kisolo kyonna, mmere ya nkoko, mmere ya mbuzi, mmere ya nte, mmere ya mbizzi, buli kimu bakirina. Jangu ku Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds basangibwa Busega mu Kibumbiro near Samona Factory. Ennamba z'essimu zeezo 0752720672. Be ba Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds we bali okuwa buli kimu kye weetaaga okuliisa enkoko zo, okuliisa ebisolo byo. Jangu obaguleko emmere y'enkoko, emmere y'embizi, emmere y'ebisolo we bali okuweereza. So supply your customers in time. Give them what they booked in time, what they bought in time. Kasoma bw'oba mugamba muwa bintu bya lwakusatu, let it be lwakusatu. So build trust, supply in time and pay in time, build network, know your business in and out, and test your customers, collect information from them after testing them, speak about your products, widen the market, and those are the things that can help us, and even reducing on expenses. Those are the things that can help you to increase profits in this venture of Rock Poultry Farm. So thank you so much, my dears. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting Molly Local Poultry Farm. Thank you for each and everything you do on this channel. My name is Molly. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing, like the video, share it, and comment about the video. Molly Local Poultry Farm is found in Busega, Kibumbiro, near Costa Stage. We are in Kampala, Busega. It's found near Costa Stage. For more information, if you want to book, if you want to buy anything here, we have day-old chicks, we have 1 month chicks, we have fertilized eggs, we have table eggs, we have the mature cocks, each and everything that deals with local chicken. All the products we have them. So you can inbox me on 0787 96 20 70. That is my WhatsApp number, 0787 96 20 70. Then for people who are within Uganda, you can call me direct on 0759 49 82 04. Those are my contacts. Molly Local Poultry Farm is found in Busega. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.
Pozi gwe wenna ali eyo ng'oyagala mmere ya nkoko, oyagala mmere ya mbizi, mmere ya nte, mmere ya mbuzi zo, jangu ku Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds bakuguze emmere, bakutabulire emmere. Enkoko zo zaakona, zaagaana okubiika, embizi zo zaakona, zaagaana okukula, jangu bakutabulire buli kisolo kyonna, mmere ya nkoko, mmere ya mbuzi, mmere ya nte, mmere ya mbizi, buli kimu bakirina. Jangu ku Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds basangibwa Busega mu Kibumbiro near Samona Factory. Ennamba z'essimu zeezo 0752720672. be ba Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds we bali okuwa buli kimu kye weetaaga okuliisa enkoko zo, okuliisa ebisolo byo. Jangu obaguleko emmere y'enkoko, emmere y'embizi, emmere y'ebisolo we bali okuweereza.